Unlocking the secrets of financial freedom. What if you could break free from the shackles of financial constraints and unlock the secrets to true financial freedom? Imagine a life where your money works for you, providing the freedom to pursue your passions and live on your own terms. Join me on a journey as we delve into the key strategies and hidden gems that will pave the way to your financial liberation. It's time to unravel the mysteries of wealth creation and embark on a path that leads to a life of abundance. This is not just a video, it's a roadmap to unlocking the doors to your financial dreams. Are you ready to discover the secrets of financial freedom? Let's dive in. Learn how to budget. You won't get ahead if you don't have a plan for your money. Instead, you'll find yourself wondering where your money went at the end of every month. That's not financial independence, that's a recipe for financial disaster. Financial freedom is impossible if you're not living on a budget. You've got to tell your money where to go, or you'll end up wondering where it went. Give every dollar an assignment before the month begins and track your spending throughout the month. If you consistently overspend or underspend in certain areas, you can always adjust the amount in those categories. Budgeting is important to get your finances on the right track, but it doesn't end there. Even once you achieve financial freedom, you'll still complete a unique budget every month. No matter how much money you have, you need a plan. No one wins the big championship game by accident, and you won't get to financial freedom by accident either. Budgeting is the first step to building wealth on purpose. Get debt out of your life. If you have debt like credit cards, student loans, or car loans, it's time to kick it to the curb. Why? Because as long as you're sending hundreds of your hard-earned dollars in debt payments to banks and lenders every month, you'll never truly experience financial freedom. Your income is your most powerful wealth-building tool, and you won't reach your money goals if all you've got to work with are bits and pieces left over after you pay credit card bills and student loan payments. Paying off your debt helps you lay a foundation to build wealth that will last. Make sure you have $1,000 saved and put aside for emergencies before you start tackling your debt. You don't want an unexpected expense to derail your progress. Most people feel like they got a raise when they start budgeting. So that's good news for you. Throw all of that extra cash at your smallest debt until it's gone. Then keep the snowball rolling. Paying off debt is hard work, but there's nothing like the feeling of actually keeping the money you bring in every month. Save money for emergencies. If your goal is financial freedom, you need a fully funded emergency fund. It acts like a buffer between you and the unexpected life events that happen to all of us, like car repairs, broken appliances, and medical deductibles. That's why you should increase your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses once you're out of debt. Having the cash on hand to cover an unexpected life event gives you peace of mind and is a critical part of your overall financial plan. Once you have that fully funded savings account, you'll start to feel more flexibility in your budget. You'll be able to say yes to shopping splurges and specialty lattes with no guilt at all. Set financial goals. Everybody dreams about achieving financial freedom. It's a great dream, but a dream without a goal is just a wish. That's why setting financial goals like getting out of debt or saving up for retirement is so important on your journey to financial freedom. They give you something to work toward. How do you know if you have a good goal to go after? Here's how to set goals that actually work. Be specific. Make your goals measurable. Give yourself a deadline. Make sure they're your own goals. Put your goals in writing. Let's say you really want to get out of debt. That's a fantastic goal to have, but that's not enough. How much debt do you want to pay off? Is it $20,000? Good, now we're getting somewhere. When do you want to be debt-free? How does 12 months sound? Done! And just like that, you now have a specific, measurable goal that's personal to you with a hard deadline attached to it. I want to pay off $20,000 worth of debt in 12 months. Now all you have to do is write it down and keep it front and center as you go after it. Invest for your retirement future. Now that you have a plan for short-term savings, you're ready to partner with a financial advisor who can help you make the most of your long-term investment options. The good news is, the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. That's the power of compound growth at work. Here's how to get started. Start by taking advantage of the tax-favored retirement accounts available to you at work, like your 401k or 403b. According to the National Study of Millionaires, 8 out of 10 millionaires invested in their company's 401k plan, which played a key role in their financial success. How much should you invest? Invest 15% of your income toward retirement. And if your employer offers a match on contributions to your 401k, take it. Don't say no to free money. If you have access to a Roth 401k at work with good mutual fund options, great. You can invest your full 15% there. But if you have a traditional 401k, invest up to the match, then invest what's left of your 15% in a Roth IRA. If you still have part of your 15% left after maxing out a Roth IRA, go back to your 401k. Why is a Roth a good idea? When you invest in a Roth 401k or Roth IRA, the money you invest grows tax-free. That means you don't have to pay taxes on it when you withdraw money in retirement. That's a big benefit you don't want to miss out on. Live below your means. In other words, you've got to live on less than you make. This goes right along with having a budget. To reach financial freedom, you need to have self-discipline and be willing to say no to some stuff you can't afford to buy right now so you can save more in the long run. Listen, we're not saying it's bad to have stuff or want nice things. We just don't want your stuff to have you. When you buy that car or that house with money, you don't have to impress people you don't even like. You'll constantly find yourself caught in the vicious cycle of debt and overspending. That's not a recipe for financial freedom. In fact, it's just the opposite. Get the right insurance in place. You might be asking yourself, what does insurance have to do with financial freedom? A lot, actually. When you look at sports teams that win championships, they don't just focus on offense. They have a strong defense, too. That's what insurance is. It's the defensive strategy that protects your finances. Without the right insurance in place, one bad accident or one lawsuit could put everything you worked so hard for at risk. While budgeting, saving, and investing will help you reach financial freedom, insurance helps you stay there. Here are 8 types of insurance you simply shouldn't go without. Term life insurance, auto insurance, homeowners/renters insurance, health insurance, long-term disability insurance, long-term care insurance, identity theft protection, umbrella policy. Work with a financial advisor. The idea of actively making decisions about your money and your investments may feel overwhelming. If it feels that way to you, you're not alone. Listen, you've worked hard to lay the right foundation. So don't leave your financial future up to chance. You need the expertise of a financial advisor to help you navigate your investment options and brave the ups and downs of the stock market. A financial advisor can help you make decisions about your investment strategy, rebalance your funds regularly so you minimize your risk, create a realistic plan for what financial independence looks like for you, know what investment options you have beyond retirement accounts, set up a withdrawal plan for your specific situation. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be covering more essential money topics and principles in future videos to help you achieve financial freedom. I'll catch you in the next video.